What's up, drivers? If you don't look back on your old self with cringe and disgust, then you're probably just born perfect and well done you. But my first dashcam video is so embarrassing that it's no longer on YouTube. So today I'm putting it on YouTube. I want to point out some things that made me not only a shitty driver and at times a pretty shitty person, but also an absolutely terrible YouTuber. And what's changed exactly? Yeah, get out. I still get too mad sometimes because, well, who doesn't? But I'd like to think that this video can show you how truly far you can come as a driver if you actually care about bettering your ability. Because believe me, what we're about to see is shit. Welcome to Bad Driving Compilation, Derby and Hull, November 2017. Oh yeah, I was called Cellrack95 back then. Gross misuse of that meme. Anyone with the hazard perception of a turnip could have probably seen this one coming, but spotting things late and slamming on the horn and brake is a staple of being a dashcammer, isn't it? This clip shows just how cocky I was as a fairly new driver. We'll see a bit more of this one throughout the video. Simply embarrassing, this one. Aren't toddlers taught about what size shapes can fit where? Here's the first improvement comparison I want to show though. Since that first comparison, I've further improved on my forward planning by showing this bus my intentions even earlier. We need to talk about the captions and dings. So far, I've been editing the volume so as to not injure your ears. I'm going to leave this next one unaltered. Don't say I didn't warn you.
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? What the f was that?
I'm going to play it to both Scott and Natalie. You can play along as well, and do let me know your...
After all that, you U-turning.
This clip is the first and only car crash I've ever been in, and we were in my friend Adrian's Astra. Adrian is Polish, but also completely fluent in English. So one day at college I asked him, if you swore by reaction to something, would you say fuck or kurwa? He said he wasn't too sure.
Oh, really? Oh, fuck! Fucking hell! Fuck!
Well, we got the answer.
I'm so sorry. Sorry. That's the first car crash I've ever been in. Same. It scared the shit out of me. I thought my life was gone.
Oh, there's still another two.
Yes. My turn.
Oh, this is fucking bad.
That's how you do it.
Prepared to see how utterly woeful I was at roundabouts?
Right.
Instead of doing another lap, I make things as awkward as possible for myself and everyone around me.
Yep. More so. That's another dust. Yeah, there we go. That's one for the dash cam.
Yeah, sums it up at this point, doesn't it?
I think I could have red lined. Yeah, you did. Get fucked!
Yo, can we cut here? No, we have to play the rest of this shit. Alright, fine. Notice how no matter how insignificant whatever's happening is...
Get over then! Fucking idiot.
I just always sound so pissed off. It's sad to watch back, really.
Why are you there if you want to be turning left, you utter twat?
Turning right.
No, they're turning left, look.
Yeah. And that one's not going to let him.
Time to discuss my overreacting to literally everything.
Fucking hell!
I feel on edge from watching these back, honestly, thinking about how I actually got through each day with such a high level of anxiety and anger towards everything. Compare this to now.
At least he apologised. Did I anticipate that or what?
I don't think Ashley would have said this back then.
You're a pretty good driver, mate, to be fair. It's been nice and calm.
Get out of the fucking way. Get over then. Oh!
Nice and calm.
Sorry, bud, you can get through that. Come on, because I can get through that.
Are you sure about that?
Oh. Nailed it there, didn't I?
No, actually, no you didn't. You hit the curb, you absolute bumbling bellend.
Well, aren't you great? Why did Can I even get through there?
I think it's probably a piece of commentary I'll never tire of hearing.
Well, at least you didn't scrape or hit anything this time, like that wall that peeled half your door off during your first month of driving.
True story.
With my reg fully clearly visible, I pull my handbrake and send loose stones flying everywhere. What an absolute tool. Finally, Adrian from Rebel Classics decides to say a few words to the camera.
Drifting down a river. Well, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so he can get some new wheels and don't look like such a fucking moron. Thanks for watching, guys!
I think it'll take more than a different car to fix how much of a moron I was, Adrian.
Oh my god. Look. It's a wild Benji getting food. Hi.
How long have you been here?
Congratulations, that's 1 point.
6 minutes.
That is an absolute.
Oh, he fucking stalled. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Next question. Two fictional characters from
Just wanna
TV
get
shows have
home.
made Christmas #1.
Go. That was perfect. I'd have gone. Go.